There is a particular kind of joy that comes from bringing a plant into your home. It is not just about adding greenery to a room, it is about inviting a living thing to share your space, to grow alongside you, to respond to the light and air and the care you provide. But a plant, even a small one, needs more than just a spot on a windowsill. It needs a place that honors it, that lifts it up, that gives it the attention it deserves. This is where the wooden mini plant stand enters the picture. It is a small object with a simple purpose, but in that simplicity lies a surprising depth of possibility. Think about the difference between a plant sitting on a table and that same plant elevated on a stand. On a table, it is just another object among many. It competes for attention with books and coasters and whatever else lives on that surface. On a stand, it becomes something else. It becomes a focal point. It claims its own space. The plant is no longer just there. It is presented. And the stand that presents it, especially when it is made from wood, brings its own quiet presence to the arrangement. Wooden mini plant stands come in an astonishing variety of forms, each suited to a different plant, a different room, a different sensibility. There are the simple three-legged stools, they geometrically clean and ancient, that lift a small succulent or cactus to eye level, turning a humble plant into a sculptural statement. There are the tiered stands, 2 or 3 platforms stacked one above the other, that allow a collection of small plants to occupy a single footprint, their leaves overlapping, creating a miniature vertical garden. There are the geometric stands, their frames made from thin strips of wood joined at precise angles, that seem to float the plant in a cage of light and shadow. There are the turned pedestals, shaped on a lath, their curves echoing the organic forms of the plants they hold. Each of these a different answer to the same question. How do we honor these small growing things we bring into our homes? The wood itself matters enormously. A stand made from pale maple or birch has a clean modern feel. It recedes, letting the plant take center stage. A stand made from rich walnut or cherry brings its own warmth and depth, becoming a companion to the plant rather than just a platform. A stand made from reclaimed wood carries the texture and history of its previous lives, the nail holes and weathering becoming a part of the story. The grain, the color, the weight of the wood, these are not incidental. They are the vocabulary through which the stand speaks. There is also the question of scale. A mini plant stand is small by definition, but within that smallness, there is infinite variety. A stand for a tiny cactus might be only a few inches tall, just enough to lift it off the surface to give it a little definition. A stand for a trailing plant might be taller, allowing the vines to cascade down, creating a waterfall of green. A stand for a grouping of air plants might be wide and low, a shallow tray on legs that lets you arrange the plants in a living composition. The size of the stand shapes how you see the plant and how the plant inhabits the room. What makes wooden mini plant stands so compelling? Though it is not just their variety, it is the relationship they establish between the plant, the stand, and the space. A plant in a plastic pot on a windowsill is a functional arrangement. A plant in a beautiful ceramic pot on a wooden stand is an intentional one. The stand elevates the plant in more ways than one. It lifts it physically, bringing it closer to the eye level, making it easier to appreciate, but it also lifts it conceptually, turning it from a piece of decoration into a presence, a companion, a small piece of nature that has been given a place of honor. And then there is something else, something harder to name. A plant on a wooden stand is a reminder of the two great kingdoms of living things, the plant kingdom and the tree kingdom. The plant grows in its pot, putting out leaves, reaching for the sunlight. The wood of the stand grew once too, in a forest somewhere, before it was milled and shaped and finished. Together, they bring the outside in, not as a theme or a decoration, but as a presence. I'm curious about the plants in your own home. Do you have a favorite? One that you have had for years, that has grown with you? Or are you just beginning to build your collection? Let me know in the comments below. So until next time, happy decorating.